name is Aidan. I am part of Troop 230, and I'm 13, and I'm doing a presentation on light pollution and the effects on wildlife and ecosystem. For millions of years, life on Earth has counted on the continuous schedule of days, the lasting so long, and then the nights being equally as long. It is more than just animals that need both light and dark to survive. Plants also need downtime to process the energy that it soaks in. Artificial lights have disrupted this world's ecosystem for many years. Stated that introduction of artificial light represents the most drastic change in human beings have made to their environment. Light pollution does not sound like a harmful thing, however, from what I have researched, it is a steadily growing issue that we need to address. If you were to go near cities, cloudy skies are now hundreds or even thousands of times brighter than they were 200 years ago. We are only beginning to learn what a drastic effect this has on the nocturnal ecology. If you were to go near cities, cloudy skies are now hundreds or even thousands of times brighter than they were 200 years ago. We are only beginning to learn what a drastic effect this has on the nocturnal ecology. If you were to go near habits that has adapted for its survival. We know that there are predators that use light to hunt and prey species that use darkness as cover. Habits that has adapted control. The glare from artificial lights are also impacted the wetland habitats, which are home to so many amphibians such as frogs and toads that do nighttime croaking, which is part of their mating ritual, and without that, there would be a steady decline in the population, even though they have helped us as a gotten better and more energy efficient. They have gotten brighter and actually take away from nature at the same time. If you think about it, they are gotten better and more energy efficient. They have gotten brighter. The first one, sea turtles. Sea turtle eggs are buried in the sand by the ocean. When they hatch, they are supposed to follow the moon back to the ocean. Artificial light draws them away from the water and onto land, where they are subject to cars, predators, and dehydration. Millions of baby sea turtles die every year. Number 2, fireflies. Firefly males use light to attract mates. Due to the light pollution, they are unable to see each other, so fewer fireflies are being born. Also, a loss of habitat is a factor in the loss of them. Number 3, tree frogs. Tree frogs are nocturnal creatures that use mating calls at night when they are protected by predators. They use mating calls at night when they are protected when they are protected by predators. Protected from predators. When there is light pollution, they are not talking to each other, so there are fewer frogs being born each year. Monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies migrate during the summer and winter. Light pollution is affecting their internal navigation, keeping them from migrating like they're supposed to. Monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies migrate during the summer and winter. Light pollution is affecting their internal navigation, keeping them. Atlantic salmon have a natural migration that follows the sunset and sunrise. They are mixing up the sunlight with light pollution, and it is disrupting their migration. Other wildlife that are threatened by artificial light are hummingbirds, sweet bees, zebrafish, seabirds, and other frogs and toads. The process is to slow the impact of it is having on the ecosystem. It is not a difficult one, but it does require work on all our parts so that we are not continuously impacting multiple species. With the growing amounts altering how functions, we are forcing nature to change that we are not continuously impacting multiple species. With the growing amounts altering how functions, we are forcing nature to change that we are not continuously impacting multiple species. With the growing amounts altering how functions, we are forcing nature to change that we are not continuously impacting multiple species. With the growing amounts altering development. An important part of solving this problem, the problem of the light pollution, is to have a thoroughly understanding of its magnitude, and a great way to do that is to measure the brightness of the sky. Thankfully, an important part of solving this problem, the problem of the, I know there are many things we could do to limit light pollution in our area, and it starts with us caring more about how we leave the planet when it's our time. So, think about not only the animals, but the lack there would be if we don't act soon. Take care of what we have now.